Handi Kirb creates a roll-in, wheelchair-accessible shower when recessing the compartment floor is not practical. To install Handi Kirb using a liquid membrane liner, all backer boards must be installed first. Confirm that the bottom flange of the drain assembly is level and free from movement, and that the concrete is level, clean, and dust-free. A leveling compound may be necessary to correct any subfloor defects. Protect the bolt holes and drain opening with tape. Place Handi Kirb at the shower entrance, interlocking the dovetail connectors to join multiple sections together. Cut if necessary, but do not attach to the floor yet. With Handi Kirb in position, lay out the sticks needed to install pre-pitch. Mark and cut each stick a ½ inch from the edge of the drain flange and secure to the concrete with the double-sided tape provided. After all the sticks have been taped down, lift Handi Kirb and set aside. Mix 1 part Portland, 4 parts clean sand mud mixture to a consistency slightly wetter than that of a traditional dry pack or humid mortar mix used for mud beds. Starting furthest away from the entrance, distribute the mud on and in between pre-pitch and screed to the surface of the sticks, leaving no voids or depressions. Trowel the mud up to, but not on, the top of the drain. The screeded mud should not pass the ends of pre-pitch where they contact the curb. Locate the stick ends and remove the mud back as not to interfere with the reinstallment of the curb. A built-up row of mud where the curb will rest ensures Handi Kirb will be completely filled. Press the fitted curb into place and attach Handi Kirb to the concrete with 1 1/4 inch Tapcon screws. Fill and trowel any remaining voids and let dry overnight. Embed fiberglass mesh tape into all corners with the membrane liquid and a brush. Roll all the walls from the shower head down. Before rolling onto the pre-pitched floor, cut a 12-inch by 12-inch square of fiberglass mat or cloth material. Remove the tape and return the flange bolts back into their holes. Brush an oversized square of liquid membrane around and also on the drain body and embed the cloth into it. Make small cuts in the fiberglass to push the bolt heads through. Brush on more of the liquid to completely saturate the cloth. Roll the rest of the floor and curb allowing a long enough dry time for a second coat over the entire area to guard against any possible pinhole leaks. Follow all the manufacturer's installation instructions. Obtaining the proper mill thickness of the membrane is very important. Let dry completely. Cut a hole in the fiberglass a 1/4 inch smaller than the diameter of the drain opening and bolt the top clamping flange to the drain body. Install quick pitch by first positioning the center ring on the flange bolts centered over the hole of the drain. Reverse mark and cut stick lengths to fit the shower dimensions. Insert the male tabs of the sticks flush into the female slots of the center ring. Place a weep hole protector under the center ring before screwing down the drain riser. Mix 1 part Portland, 4 parts clean sand mud mixture to a humid consistency. A humid or dry pack mix is always used when screeding quick pitch. Fill all the cells between the sticks and against handi kirb fully and screed to the top surface of the sticks. Allow mud bed to harden before setting tile.